Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Students, today onwards we start a revision series class 9 mathematics DAB Public School Cuttack, and our target is score 80 out of 80 in half year examination or term 1 examination 2024-25. Today is part 1. So before start, first if you want to download PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group, link in the description box. First we discuss the syllabus. First chapter number system, then second polynomial, coordinate geometry, linear equation in two variable, introduction to Euclid's geometry, lines and angle, triangle, quadrilateral, Heron's formula and statistics. Okay, and the exam pattern is 1 mark, 20 mark, okay, MCQ 20 mark, then short type questions 2 mark 5, then 3 mark questions 6, okay, then long questions 4 into 5, that is 20 mark. Also CBQ case based questions, okay, 3 into 4, total 3 number of case based questions, okay, each CBQ or 4 mark, total questions 38 and total mark is 80 mark. Time 3 hour. You should complete the exam within 2 hour. Okay, so let's start the session. First MCQ, we discuss the MCQ, some important MCQ. The first question, question number 1, decimal expansion of number root 2 is dash. We know that root 2 is a irrational number, and the irrational number decimal representation is non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay, so answer is option number D, that is non-terminating and non-recurring, that is 0.234521 dot dot. Okay, or you can write 0.01001001 okay, like this. Now next question number 2, if p of x equal to x plus 3, find p of x and p of minus x. Okay, put the value in place of x, that is minus x. First we write x plus 3, now minus x plus 3. So x and x cancel, 3 plus 3, that is 6. So correct answer is 6. Okay, now next question number 3, if 2 comma 0, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to 0 is the solution of the linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to k, find the value of k. Now we put the value of x, that is 2, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0, that is 0, equal to k. So 2 into 2, that is 4, equal to k. So answer k equal to 4. Okay, now next question number 4, any point on x-axis. Okay, suppose this is graph, this is x-axis and y-axis. The point on x-axis means this point. So this point means 2. Suppose this is 2, then y is 0. So 2 comma 0, or we can write x comma 0. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Now next question number 5, a diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degree. Okay, this is rectangle. When you draw the diagonals, okay, one side's inclined at 25 degrees. Suppose this is 25 degree. The question is find acute angle between the diagonal. This is obtuse angle. Okay, this is acute angle, means we should find the this angle, that is suppose x, means we find x. And also we know that in rectangle the diagonals are equal. Suppose this is a, b, c and d, means we can write ac equal to bd. Yes or no? When we divide both sides by 2, then the AC by 2 means AO or CO, and BD by 2 we can write BO. Also CO and BO equal. If BO and CO are equal, then we can say that opposite angles are equal, means this 25 means this also 25. Yes or no? And X is the exterior angle. So we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. So X equal to 25 plus 25, that is 50 degree. Yes or no? So answer is option number C, that is 50 degree. Okay. Now next question number 6. Find the length of the each sides of the equilateral triangle. Okay. We know that equilateral triangle area formula is root 3 by 4 a square. So in place a, we can put 9 root 3 equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 cancel. So a square equal to 9 into 4, that is a equal to 9 4 is 36 root, that is 6. So answer is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now next, degree of zero polynomial is does not define. You remember. Also remember, degree of constant polynomial is 0. Okay. Constant polynomial. Now next, question number 8. Euclid divide his famous treatise Element into how many chapter? The correct answer is option number A, that is 13 chapter. Now next, question number 9. The class mark of a particular class is 6.5 and class size is 3. Then what is the class interval? Okay, we know that class mark. What is class mark? The class mark means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, or midpoint of the class interval. Okay, then find, check. And also we know that class size means upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, first we check which two interval sum divided by 2 equal to 6.5. Okay, now first check option number A, that is 5 plus 8 divided by 2, that is 5 plus 8, that is 13, 13 by 2, that is 6.5. Okay, now check also class size is 3, means minus. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. So option number A is the correct answer. Understand? Now next, question number 10. Find the area of the isosceles triangle having base equal to 2. Okay, this is suppose isosceles triangle, base is 2 and equal side is 4. So 4, this is also 4. So by solve by the Heron's formula, we know that Heron's formula means area equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under root. S means A plus B plus C by 2, or half perimeter. A plus B plus C by 2. So A equal to 2, 4, 6, 4, 10. 10 by 2, that is 5. 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay. Now write 5 into 5 minus 2, that is 3, into 5 minus 4, that is 1. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Under root, that is 15 under root. Option number A is the correct answer. Understand? Now next, 2 marks. We solve some important 2 marks. First question, question number 11, that is expand 3a minus 4b whole cube. We know that this is solved by using the identity, that is a minus b whole cube. What is the formula? And that is first a cube. So write down a cube minus b cube. Okay. Minus 3a b, sorry, a square b, 3 into a square b plus 3ab square, 3 into a into b square, that is 4b square. Now solve 3 cube, that is 27 a cube minus 64 b cube minus 3 square, that is 9. This is 12. 12 9 ja 108 a square b. Now 16, this is 9. 16 9 ja plus 144 a b square. This is the answer. Okay. Now next question number 12. Factorize 25 by 4. We can write 5 by 2 and x whole square. Now minus y by 3 whole square. This is a square minus b square. Now this becomes a square minus b square, that is a plus b whole into a minus b. Now write 5 by 2x plus y by 3 whole into 5 by 2x minus y by 3. This is correct answer. Understand? Now next, express this in the form of p by q. So let x equal to 2.15 bar, multiply with 10 both sides, that is 10x equal to 21.5 bar. Again multiply 100, so 100x equal to 21.5 bar. Okay, now subtract, that is 100x minus 10x equal to 215.5 bar minus 21.5 bar. Now this is 90x equal to 0514. This is 11 to 9 and 1, that is 194. So x equal to 194 divided by 90. Answer. Okay. Also you can solve, cancel. So 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja 18, 2 7 ja 245. So answer is 97 divided by 45. Okay, or you can solve by trick. How to solve? Now 2 plus 0.15 bar. Now 2 plus 15. Now minus 1 divided by, for bar we write 9, then 0. So 2 plus 14 by 90. Now take LCM and solve. 90, this is 180 plus 14. Now 194 divided by 9. 9 cancel, that is 97 divided by 45. Understand? Now next, long questions. Question number 14. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then find this. Okay, we know that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then we can know that the formula aq plus bq plus cq equal to 3abc. Yes or no? Also from a plus b plus c you can write a plus b equal to minus c, and b plus c we can write minus a. Also a plus c or c plus a we can write minus b. Any doubt? Now put the value. So first question, write b plus c whole square plus c plus a whole square, sorry, divided by 3bc divided by 3ca plus a plus b whole square by 3ab. Now put the value. In place b plus c we can put minus a. So minus a whole square divided by 3bc plus minus b whole square divided by 3ca plus minus c whole square divided by 3ab. Now multiply. Minus square plus, so a square divided by 3bc plus b square divided by 3ca plus c square divided by 3ab. Now take LCM. So LCM is 3ABC. So 3BC cancel, so A into A square. A into A square. Similarly, B into B square and C into C square. Now we can write A cube plus B cube plus C cube divided by 3ABC. Yes or no? And in place of A cube plus B cube plus C cube, we can put 3ABC, because A plus B plus C equal to 0 means A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So put 3ABC divided by 3ABC equal to 1. This is the correct answer. Understand? Completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिवो। यदि पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करिया पई देन व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन हो जाओ, डाउनलोड कर पारिबो। ओके, टिल देन थैंक यू।